There you go.
R/4.
So all reals except the number 4. Beautiful. That's about as complicated as it gets. Yes, alright. Let's change gear a little bit. And we'll say. Actually, let's do this. 4 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 8.
1?
4 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 8. So I want to write this in a different way. I want to write it in set notation. So the way you do this, this isn't a graph anymore. So we go, alright, x is an element of, and now we need to write what that says. What's the lowest it can be?
4. Not 4.
Right. 4 but not including. Right, up to
8.
And hard bracket.
Beautiful. That's it. Another way again of representing that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. So another way of representing it is an underline. You go 4. Soft bracket means it's not including, so it's an empty dot. Up to 8. Hard bracket means coloured in because you can actually use this.
I was confused on whether it's empty or not.
That makes sense.
So empty, right? If I draw, I'll rub these out. If I draw this bracket on there, right? That's fine. If I draw this bracket, there is no way I can turn that into an uncoloured dot. Right? So this one gets coloured in, this one I can turn into an uncoloured dot. That's one way. Or alternately, it's just, if it's round, it's not coloured in. That's the short version of it. But yeah, so black means I can actually hit it, white means I just miss. How you remember it, totally up to you, it doesn't matter, just as long as you can remember it. It's deliberately weird. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself there, Tito. Cool, alright, new one. Actually, let's just change the letter to equals.
Oh, so
Let's make this J.
it'll be JE,
Right,
soft
J,
brackets,
element of.
soft brackets 3,
Okay.
soft brackets 3.
Almost 7 hard brackets.
No.
You're almost there.
It's opposite. So it's
Right, everything's pointing in the wrong way.
so it's hard bracket 7, hard bracket 7,
Stop.
3.
Right, because now you're going to confuse yourself a lot. Think of it in terms of what this notation is supposed to say. It's supposed to go the smallest value through to the biggest value. What is the smallest value that satisfies that arrangement?
3.
Y is less than.
J is less than.
Oh, sorry, J. No, J is less than 3. What would satisfy that?
4.
It's less than 2. It's less than 3, right?
So anything less than 3, so 2 would be better.
4.
Right, 2, 1, all the negatives, yeah? So I can go on to negative 50. Okay, now this is not proper notation.
Okay, I was going to say.
Yeah, because it contradicts itself.
Yeah, how can it be greater than 7?
I'll put the proper one here. But
Just right
this
next.
is lazy notation.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Cool, okay, great. I can then build up through all the negatives until I hit
J.
Almost 3.
3.
3, right? Can I hit 3?
No. So
No.
it's soft.
Cool. Can I do anything else?
Special.
Yes, union.
Oh,
Where do I restart?
7.
7, right? Because J is bigger than or equal to 7. Cool. Hard or soft?
Hard.
Cool. Up to
Negative infinity.
Positive infinity.
Oh, what? Why
Because
positive?
J can be bigger than 7.
Oh, okay. And then, but
You should never end up with a negative infinity as your last thing because it should be the biggest thing and negative infinity is.
wait, so that's stupid, dude. Oh, not stupid. That doesn't make sense, dude.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, so if we draw another line for it, right? I can't be bothered actually counting. This is now 3. Oh, actually, yes I can because it's only 3 and 7. Never mind. 4, 5, 6, 7. Jeez, that's pretty bad. 8, 9, etc. 2, 1, etc. 0. Cool. So we've got soft 3, so open 3 and down. We've got hard 7. And
Oh, so it's just 2. Oh, okay.
cool. So is there another way of writing this?
Here. Yes, there is.
How would you write it?
J equals that and that.
Would it be soft bracket negative infinity to infinity, excluding soft bracket 3 to hard bracket 7? 7, soft bracket 7.
Alright. Is there a faster way of writing negative infinity to infinity?
R.
So all of the real numbers except for the interval 3 to 7.
Would we have to do that? Do we have to reverse that? So make that R dash 3 7, and then put it into J to that normal form.
What? Say again?
So like the final answer we just got. Do we have to convert that into the first answer, the first thing that we had?
This.
Yeah. Do we have?
You get this or this, totally fine.
Oh, but like will we have to convert it back?
You have to be able to convert, but you are not required to give me both versions at any point.
Okay.
You can give me either version, but you're required to be able to read both versions.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you can have your preference. Like I would write this because it's short. Having said that, if the question said, oh, it has to be something union something, well then you have to write it like that. Yeah. So you expect to be able to read both, but you can have a preference. That's fine. Yeah.
Let's say, for example, we got that exact same question on a test. How would we write that? Because it doesn't make sense.
Okay, so in a test, what this would actually be written as. So this is the lazy way of writing it. In a test, what you have is this and that. You have it as 2 separate statements.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, so what J satisfied both these? What J could satisfy these conditions?
So if somebody asked me that first question, how would I respond? Like, you done? It doesn't work?
When it's written like that, it's just lazy notation. Like, it's very, 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 very heavily implied that it's talking about this. Yeah.
Wouldn't the, for the excluding that stuff, wouldn't the brackets be the other way around? Because it's hard 7, so...
Oh, sorry, yeah. Sorry,
Not
you're right.
7.
Thank you. Whoopsie. That was a big oversight. Thank you. That was a good catch. Sorry, we're excluding this, so we're excluding 3, and we're excluding everything up to 7, but we're not excluding 7. Yeah. Sorry, thank you. Yep. So that's 5A is a whole lot of set notation. 5B,
What happened to 4?
5B is it will give you graphs to figure out domains for, or it will tell you here's a graph with a domain. Only sketch this part. So okay, let's do one of those.
Did we finish 4?
Let's say x squared plus 6 is 8. X. What's this thing? Negative 3 up to. Cool. So let's say against that. The first thing you do is totally ignore the domain. Alright, and just figure out, okay, what does this thing look like?
X plus 4, X plus 2.
Okay. Great. What does that look like?
X minus 1, 2,
minus
2. Beautiful.
That's terrible. Let's get to the scale for a second. Cool. Okay. Great. And this is whatever it is. Alright. Great. Cool. So that's what that looks like. Fantastic. we only want from -3 up. Oh, we should have labelled this as well, actually. What's this? -3, -1. Yeah, okay. Cool, so we've got that, great. Well, we only want this bit. So I'm going to do this bit in green.
H and K.
Right, so I include this up to 1 soft. It's an endpoint, so I have to label it, figure out whatever that is, 5, 3, 4. So only the green
Right.
bit is the actual answer.
What?
So the blue was the whole thing, yeah?
How'd you get 115?
Just put 1 into either of them.
Okay.
The outputs 15. When x is 1, y is 15, yeah? Cool. Alright, it's an empty circle because that's a soft.
Wait, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is not 15.
What? Are you joking?
Count again.
Oh, sorry. My heading is a bit
Cool. Are we all okay with that?
TJ's out here solving quadratic equations and failing.
This stuff's
efficiently.
actually pretty nice and easy. It's
Failing me
more
too.
just when you get lazy and you overlook things that you get into trouble. That's it. Everyone's got the Friday afternoon.
If it's not 15,
It's
TJ,
nice
what
and
is it?
Yeah, so that's 5 8.
What did you think it was?
Huh?
What did you think it was?
No, I just thought it was like a 6 plus 6 question. It was like 12 or something.
You thought 7 plus 8 was 12.
Oh, I guess like 13 or something. Oh, sucks.
So you didn't actually know what it meant, you just thought he was wrong. You're like, no, you're wrong.
No, I just didn't think that 8 plus 7 equals 15.
There's every opportunity for me to do something wrong, for example.
Except like,
My mind's on you guys, not on that. So yeah, my error rate goes up really high when you're writing stuff, because you're not just like if you're doing it yourself, you're going, yes, this. You don't have to justify your thinking or explain your thinking or worry about whether or not someone doesn't look like they get it or whatever.
yeah.
So yeah, there is every chance that I stuff up something, just like that. And it's like little subtle things like that that are the worst ones, because I look at it and go, yeah, that seems right, and just keep going.
But it was crazy because I remember one time that my geometry teacher brought geometry to our meal and then you substituted for us and then you looked like you didn't want to be there.
So if it was drama, probably didn't. Yeah. Anyway.
Do you remember? What was it in year 7 when you had to do?
Oh geez, that's a long time ago.
Okay, bye bye.